Good morning students, welcome to the new class. In the last lesson, 3 friends, you have studied what is the importance of friends. We have to have the friends for one or the other needs, and how the crow helped the other 2 birds in their difficulties. I know all of you have friends. Some of you have 1 or 2 friends, some others may have few friends, and some others have many friends. Some are best friends, some are close friends. Like this, all of us have one or the other friends in our life. Yes, friends are very important in our life. But is there any person who is called as nobody's friend? Do you think? We will see it in the poem. Here is one poem that is Nobody's Friend. We will see what do the poet wants to tell us through this poem. Poem Nobody's Friend. Nobody's Friend. And this poem is written by Enid Blyton. Enid Blyton. What does he want to say through this poem? We will read and understand. This poem is in the page number 123. I will read this poem. All of you see the book. She had some sweets that she would not share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. Here is one girl. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. One girl is having some sweets with her, but she don't like to share with others. Do you know what is the meaning of share? Give to others from our portion. Share. Give to others from our portion. We have to give something to others what we have. For example, we have one packet of biscuits or one big chocolate. We will give something from that. That is called as sharing. But here this girl would not share any sweets. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. The meaning of lend is give to use sometime. Lend. Give to use some time. Sharing is different, lending is different. Lend is the meaning which we will give the thing to use to some time. For example, we have cycle. We will give this cycle to our friends to use for some time. That is not a sharing. We are not giving the thing for themselves. We are giving to use for some time. But this girl is not giving anything to others. She will not share anything. She will not lend anybody. She would not let anyone play with her doll. She is having some dolls, and she will not give this doll to others. You have many toys with you. If you are sharing or giving others to use, they will be happy. But here, she will not give anything to others. She is nobody's friend. Now you understood? She is nobody's friend. Why? Because she will not give anything to others. She will not share any sweets. She will not give any toys to others or anything else like this. Next we will see. He had some toffee and ate every bit of it. He had a bicycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. Here is one boy. What does he do? He had some toffee and ate every bit of it. Do you know toffee? Yes. You have toffee and this boy is eating every bit of it. He will not give a small bit to others. Fully he will eat. He had a bicycle. He would not lend. He had bicycle. Already I told you. If you have the cycle, you can give to your friends to ride for some time. Then they will be happy. But this boy is not giving anything to others. He never let anyone play with his train. Already I told you, the girl did not share anything. The same way, this boy also did not give any toys to others. Children, do you have many toys with you? And if you give your toys to your friends to play, they will also be happy and they will play and they will return it. The same way, you are also taking their toys and you are also playing for some time and you are giving to others. Then both will be happy. This is told here. But this girl and this boy, they are not sharing anything with others. He is nobody's friend. Such a person will be not liked by anybody. They are nobody's friend. What happens in the next, we'll see. But I will share all my sweets with you, my ball and my books and games I will lend. Here is half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. Here is one person. Anybody they may be. I will share all my sweets with you. Whatever I have, I will give to you or to my friends. Whatever sweets, chocolates, whatever eatables, I will share with my friends. My ball and my books and games I will lend. And I have many books, I have dolls, I have toys. Everything I will lend to others. I will give to them to play for some time. Here is half my apple and half my cake. I have one apple, full apple. And I will cut it and I will give half of the apple to my friends. And cake. I have one cake. In that one piece of cake I will give to others. I am your friend because I am your friend. Yes, of course. Who are giving the things to others, they will be called as your friend. Through this poem, poet wants to tell us whatever we are having, we should share with others or we should lend to others. Then everybody wants the friendship of ours. Then all will be happy. I think all of you are doing this. You have many friends in your life and you are all sharing your toys, your things with others. In the classroom, how you can do like this? Children, while writing, some of your friends may not have eraser or pencil. And you may be having 2 or 3 pencil or more than that. Then what you can do, you can give one of your pencil or eraser to others and after writing that, they will give you back. And you are taking some snacks to the schools. And while eating, you can share some of the things, eating things, eatables. You can give to your friends, but with the permission of the teachers. In the classroom, while sharing the things, you have to ask the permission of your teachers. Otherwise, there will be big problem in the class. Understood? I hope all of you understood what is the meaning of sharing and what is the meaning of lend. And like this, how we can gain our friends. If we do like this, all the people will become friends. Otherwise, we should live as a nobody's friend. And you can decide, you have to decide yourself that how you will be. Whether you will be friends of everybody or nobody's friend. That is left to you. Here are some words we have to observe it. Children, in the first paragraph itself you can see the word wooden. Wooden. In the previous classes also I told you this wooden we can write it as a full form would not. Would not. But we have to write it as wooden. Would not. The same way other words also you can see. Can't. Cannot. You have to observe these words. These are the full forms of these words. Now we can see some of the exercises in the poem. Here is one exercise in the page number 125. Write the opposite words of the following words. Some of the words they have given and they have given the answer for these words also. So we have to find out the opposite words of the following words. And one they have done for us, that is lend, borrow. Difficult, easy. True, false. Dark, light. Help, hinder. Sweet, sour. Hard, soft. These are the opposite words of the following words. You have to write it in the class work when we are giving in the PDF. But one thing you remember, while writing the opposite words, this opposite mark is very important. Otherwise it will not consider as opposite words. Okay? The same way, another one we will see. Just now I told you the short form and full forms. In the page number 126, you can see, write the full forms of the following words. First one, can't. Right? Cannot. The second one, it's. It is. Third one, you are. You are. Fourth one, was. What is. That's. That is. He will. See, can't, cannot, it is. You are. What is. That is. He will. Like this, you have to write the full forms of these words. But while reading, you should read it as a short form only in the poem. And I hope all of you understood this poem and the value of the friendship. Thank you. Have a nice day.